Stop scrolling. If your heels are dry, cracked, or even painful, what I'm about to show you might sound too simple to work, but thousands of people swear this cheap kitchen soak works better than expensive foot treatments. And yes, it costs less than $1. Let me show you exactly how to make it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let me ask you something honestly. When was the last time you actually took care of your feet? Not just a quick wash, I mean real care. Because here's the truth. Dry, cracked heels don't just look bad. They can become painful, uncomfortable, and even lead to deeper skin damage if ignored. And in the US, millions of people deal with this every single day. Standing for long hours, wearing sandals, dry weather, or simply not moisturizing enough. All of it adds up. But what if I told you you don't need expensive creams, spa visits, or complicated routines? Today, I'm going to show you a simple DIY foot soak that helps soften rough skin, remove dead buildup, and deeply hydrate your feet using ingredients you already have at home. And once you try this, you might never go back to store-bought treatments again. Step 1. The base. Start with a medium-sized bowl. Make sure it's big enough to fit both of your feet comfortably. Now pour in about 1 liter of warm water. Not hot, warm. This is important. Warm water helps open up your pores and allow the ingredients to work deeper into your skin. Step 2. Salt, the skin softener. Next, add 1 tablespoon of regular salt. This is not fancy spa salt. Just your normal kitchen salt works perfectly. Salt helps soften hardened skin, clean the surface, reduce bacteria. Stir it until fully dissolved. Step 3. Vinegar, the dead skin breaker. Now comes the powerful part. Add 4 tablespoons of vinegar. Yes, vinegar. It might smell strong, but it works. Vinegar helps break down dead skin cells and restore your skin's natural balance. Think of it like gently loosening the rough layer on your heels. Step 4. Cornstarch, the texture booster. Now add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Because the water is warm, it will dissolve easily. You'll notice the water becoming slightly cloudy and smoother. This helps coat your skin and improve the soaking effect. Keep stirring. Step 5. Oil, deep hydration. Next, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil or coconut oil if you prefer. This step is key because while the other ingredients help remove dead skin, this one helps lock in moisture. Without moisture, your heels will just crack again. Step 6. Natural boost. Now take 2 leaves of a natural herb. If you have boldo, great. If not, use mint or rosemary. Chop them into small pieces and add them in. These herbs help refresh your skin, improve circulation, and add a relaxing effect. Stir everything together one last time. Quick question for you. Are your heels just dry or already cracked and painful? Let me know in the comments. I read everything. How to use it. Important part. Now place your feet into the bowl. Make sure the water is still warm. Let your feet soak for 15 to 20 minutes. While soaking, gently move your feet, rub your heels lightly, and let the mixture touch every area. This helps loosen dead skin and improve absorption. Aftercare. Most people skip this step. Once done, take your feet out and dry them completely, especially between your toes. Now apply a thick moisturizer. This locks in all the benefits. If you skip this step, you lose half the results. Pro tip for faster results. Do this at night before bed. Then wear socks after applying moisturizer. This helps your skin repair overnight. About pumice stones. Yes, you can use a pumice stone, but don't overdo it. Too much friction can damage your skin. With this soak, you may not even need it after a few days. Real talk. Let's be honest. Most people ignore their feet until the problem becomes painful, but taking care of them doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. Sometimes the simplest routines are the ones that actually work. Try this for 3 days, just 3 days, then come back and tell me what changed. If you found this helpful, like the video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more such informative health tips.